weight.
Hot tacky.
Hang out a little bit, and I might even rig up some rods for us because yeah, I need to get some countdowns going. We're gonna need this one. Yeah, before I rig up these rods and before